morning, my dear students. Now I am going to continue that 12th maths, that same topic, application of matrices and determinants. That in exercise 1.1, 10th sum we are going to teach. Before that, I will say the one quotation, motivation line to you. Difficult roads will always lead to beautiful destination. Difficult roads will always lead to beautiful destination. With that motivation line, I am going to start the exercise. What is the 10th sum? That given matrix if A is equal to 1 tan x minus tan x 1, show that A transpose into A inverse is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x, sin 2x into sin 2x cos 2x. What is the given matrix here? I am giving, how will find the solution now? What is that? A is 1 tan x minus tan x 1. You know the transpose. How will you transpose? The row will become as column. That row 1 tan x will become as a column. The next row minus tan x 1 can become as a column minus tan x 1. That is A transpose. We know that A inverse. How will that? What is the formula? A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of A into RGA. How will find the determinant value? You have to put a determinant symbol 1 tan x minus tan x 1. 1 into 1, 1. While going, climbing up, we have to spend the energy. So, already one minus is there. Minus minus plus tan into tan, tan square x. We know that identities. What is identity? 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. We are familiar with three identities. What are they? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So, here 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. Another identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. But here we are using this identity 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square x. You know that A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant A is secant square. 1 by secant square x, 1 minus tan x 1. 1 by secant square can be written as cos square x. Tan can be written as minus sin by cos. Tan can be written as sin by cos x into 1. Take this cos square x inside, that is cos square x minus sin x cos x, sin x cos x cos square x. Now we have to multiply A transpose into A inverse. What is A transpose? That is 1 minus tan x can be written as minus sin by cos, tan sin by cos 1. A inverse is this one, as it is we write. Now multiplying this one. How will multiply? First row, first column. 1 into cos square x minus sin by cos into sin x cos x. Cos will be cancelled, so minus sin square x. Similarly, 1 into minus sin x cos x minus sin x by cos x into cos square x. Denominator will be cancelled, so minus sin x cos x. Next one, second row, first column. Sin x by cos x into cos square x. That is sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. Again, sin x by cos x into minus sin x cos x. Cos will be cancelled, so minus sin square x. 1 into cos square x, cos square x. We know this trigonometric identities. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. Here cos square x minus sin square x, cos 2x. Here both terms are same, so we will put minus 2 sin x cos x. Same thing here, 2 sin x cos x. The same identity, instead of cos square minus sin square, here sin square plus cos square. So, we can write it cos square minus, that is also cos 2x. Both are same. First plus minus, here minus plus. So, both same identity, so we can write it cos 2x. We are familiar with that. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So, minus sin is there. So, 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. Instead of theta, we are putting x here. So, minus sin 2x. Same thing, 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x is equal to cos 2x. Hence, proved. That is the sum. A transpose into A inverse is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x, cos 2x. That is all. Thank you, man. We will go for next sum. Now, we will go for the next sum, 12th sum. What is that? Find the matrix A for which A and another matrix is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 is equal to 14, 7, 7, 7. Now, the solution is, we have to take that given matrix is AB is equal to C. I am writing in the form of AB is equal to C. What is here B? B is this, nothing but 5, 3 minus 1 minus 2. This is C, 14, 7, 7, 7. Have you noticed here all 14, 7, 7 are multiples of 7. So, I am taking 7 outside. So, 2 7s are 14. So, 2 1 7s are 7, 1, 1. So, C can be written as 7, 2, 1, 1. Now, AB is equal to C. How will find C? We have to find A. That means you have to take this B, remove. For that, we are multiplying, post multiplying. That is called post multiplying B inverse on both sides. That is A is equal to C B inverse. Post multiplying by B inverse on both sides. That is A is equal to C B inverse. How will find B inverse? You know that formula. B inverse is nothing but 1 by determinants of B into RGB. How will find the determinant B? You have to put the matrix with the determinant sign. That is 5, 3 minus 1 minus 2. How will find determinant value? 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Already one minus is there. So, plus 1 into 3, 3. Minus 10 plus 3 minus 7 not equal to 0. Therefore, B inverse can be written as 1 by minus 1 by 7 into, we have to change this main diagonal elements. That is minus 2 goes there, 5 will come here. Then secondary diagonal you have to put opposite sign. That is minus 3, 1. You have to interchange the main diagonal element and put the negative sign on the secondary diagonal. Now we got it. Now A is equal to C. C is nothing but 7, 2, 1, 1 minus 1 by 7 into minus 2 minus 3, 1, 5. So, minus 1. Now, we have to multiply these two matrices. How will multiply? First row, first column. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 6 plus 5, minus 2 plus 1, minus 3 plus 5. Minus 1 as it is, minus 1 plus 1, minus 3, minus 1 plus 2. Take minus 1, minus is inside. So, negative will become positive and positive will become negative. That is 3, 1, 1 minus. So, this is nothing but A. It is A 3, 1, 1 minus 2. Got it, my dear? I hope that you will do it easily. Like that, one more sum, the same model I will teach now. Now, we will continue that 13th sum, the same. What is given? Matrix A is 1 minus 1, 2, 0. What is B? 3 minus 2, 1, 1 and C is 1, 1, 2, 2. We have to find a matrix X such that they put AX into AX, B is equal to C. How will find X? That is easy for you. We have to first eliminate A. For that you have to pre-multiply by A inverse on both sides. So, XB, that A inverse into A is equal to identity. So, XB is equal to A inverse into C. Like that we have to eliminate B. For that post multiplying. For eliminating A you are pre-multiplying by A inverse. For eliminating B you have to multiply post B inverse. So, X is equal to A inverse C into B inverse. You can do it, but even though it is a 2 by 2 matrix, so I did for you. What is A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into RGA. What is A determinant of A? You have to put the along with the determinant symbol. That given matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 0. So, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, already one minus is so plus 2. So, plus 2 not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. That is, what is the formula? 1 by determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? 2. Then you have to, what you have to do? Adjoint A. You interchange this main diagonal. That is 0, 1, plus 1, minus 2. That is all A inverse. Like that you have to find B inverse. The same formula. What is the B inverse? B inverse nothing but 1 by determinant of B into RGB. What is B? Determinant value 3 minus 2, 1, 1. So, 3 plus 2, 5 not equal to 0. So, B inverse is 1 by 5. How will find inverse adjoint? Interchange the diagonal elements. 1, 3 plus 2 minus 1. Then you have to multiply that X is equal to what? What is X is equal to what by? What is that? X is equal to A inverse C into B. So, A inverse already we find, you have to put this one, then C and then inverse B. 1 by 5, 1 by 2, that is a multiplication 1 by 10, then multiply these two matrices. This is associative. You know that matrix multiplication is not commutative but always associative. So, you can multiply these two or these two. For our convenience, what I am doing? I am taking these two. 0 into 1, 0, 2. 0 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. Like that, minus 2 plus 2. Then C is I wrote like this. Now 2, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Multiply this. First row, first this matrix column, first column. So 2 minus 2. Then 2 to 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6. 0 into any number 0. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 0, 0. That's all. That is 6. Very easy. You can do it once again. Dear student, now we are going for the last sum of the exercise 14. What is the given matrix? A, if A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, we have to show that A inverse A is equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3i. We can find A inverse separately and then we can find A square minus 3 and half. Instead of that, there is one shortcut method is there for you. That is method I am adopting for you. Cross multiply this 2 into multiply by 2 on both sides. So, we will get it 2A inverse is equal to A square minus 3i. To remove that A inverse, what you have to do? We have to pre-multiply by A on both sides. So, what we can get it? 2y is equal to A square into A cube, 3 into A into I, that is 3A. That is easy for you because you can find easily A cube. How will find? A cube you have to multiply 3 times A into A and then another time. First we will find A square. What is A square? A into A. What is A? This one. Again we have to multiply the same matrix once again. How will multiply, my dear? First row, first column. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 ones are 1. Like that. First row, second column. First row, third column. You know that. Similarly, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Similarly, last row, first column, last row, second column, last row, third column. Then we multiply and then add what we can get it? 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So you can see that diagonal elements are all 2, remaining and all 1. That is easy to, you can remember in your mind. A cube, what is the meaning of A cube? A square into A. A square finally we find and then put A. What is A? That is given matrix. Again the same method. How we will find multiplication? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. 2 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Similarly, 2 ones are 2, 0, 1. Like that, 2, 1, 0. Like that, second row, first column, 0, 2, 1. Like that, 1, 0, 1. 1, 2, 0. Third row, first column, 0, 1, 2. Third row, second column, 1, 0, 2. Third row, third column. What we can get? 1, 1, 0. A cube, we find 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. A cube minus 3A. A cube, we did it, what we find that one? We have to multiply by 3. So, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0. So, subtract 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. So, that is we will take 2 out, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 2a. Hence, proved. That is all. Like that, you have to, lot of example sums are there. Refer your textbook and do it on your own. There will be a test for you that will be sent within 1 or 2 days.